The other problem is overheating on discharged air. This thing is not good because hot air molecule is so active and it can reduce compressor efficiency. In this video, we can understand why high temperature is not good for compressor.
As the temperature inside the jar decreases, the water vapor molecules move more slowly. And as the temperature increases, the water vapor molecules move more quickly.
This problem because shortcut or dirty intercooler tube.
As you can see in this video, the water tube cooler was covered by rust.
The atmosphere at air section on the compressor is hot because in engine room, the average temperature is 40 to 45 degrees. Shortcut air filter or damage in the heat gasket or valve of first and second stage leaking. So, if the loose energy increase, the compressor efficiency